Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Manitoba Junior Hockey League action here at the Yellowhead Arena, where the Neepawa Titans are all set to play host to the visitors from the north, the OCN Blizzard. Smith knocks it down out of midair, and he'll come up with it. Smith quickly up into the offensive zone, gives it to Trimble. Trimble, high slot. Lapointe gets the shot away and scores! Yager Lapointe on a good setup and a good rush by the Titans. 4 minutes and 54 seconds into this opening period. Ryland Gwinnison on the forecheck with Kieran Thiessen. Puck caroms towards the front of the net. Thiessen there, what a save by Bukowski. Off the draw. Krabowdov gets it back to the point. Sutherland plays it in. Smith can't control. Blizzard down low. Zimmerman's out front and a quick 1-2, and Flynn on a great setup out front of the net. They tie this game up. Played back, bouncing puck. Good job by Hyatt to get up and out. He'll give it off to Romanuk. Romanuk into the offensive zone, drops it back. Hyatt, shot through traffic. They score on the wrister from Hyatt. And somehow Bukowski, I think he had his glove on it, but unable to close on it. Behind the net, Renwick settles it down for Brust. Brust in the corner to Klein. Klein bounces it out. Picked up by Trimble. Trimble in 2-on-0. Oh, they score! I was going to say they blew it because that looked awful late, but somehow, and I think it was Trimble that ended up tipping it in. Into the offensive zone, Cam Smith, cross ice. Oh, up front, but Wilton got a stick on it, but not enough to deflect it cleanly. Titans trying to find a loose puck. Bouncer, back to the point. Smith there. Smith, shot through traffic. That's wide. Noonan will step up. Another shot on net. Loose puck. And finally covered up by Bukowski. On the draw, bouncing puck comes back to the point. Controlled by the Blizzard. Top of the face-off circle, back to the point. Shot! And you know what? What a nice goal. Like a hard shot from the point off the stick of Bryden Sinclair and tipped in by Michael Halady. Off the draw, puck caroms all the way around in the Neepawa zone. Noonan forced back. Now we get some fisticuffs out front of the Neepawa net as Benson and Tatarin chuck the knuckles, and I'm not sure exactly what created that situation, but neither one of them backing down. Brust dishes it off. Wilton lets it go by. Trimble off the end boards. Trimble gets it back to the high slot area. Brust, shot, rebound, it trickles in on the wrister from Brust. And again, one I would suggest that Bukowski, I don't know if he had his pad quite on the ice surface enough as that shot just trickled under his pad. Klein ties up with Levi Thiessen in the corner. Now dug out by Thiessen, back to the point. Now we get Briggs Jowett and Mitch Thiessen dueling it out. Both of them getting, I would say, both of them getting their fair share of licks in here. And again, I'm not sure exactly what set that little tinderbox off, but and again, both of these players will be invited to have an early shower. Smith eludes the forecheck of McDonald, gets it up ice. Nice play by Hyatt, cross ice. Romanuk in, shot, save, rebound down in the corner. High, alley-oop, doesn't make it out front, give and go. What a nice setup by Romanuk, and Hyatt puts delivered on that. And the Titans, 7 minutes, 18 seconds into this third period, now establish a 5-2 lead. Zimmerman with a good second effort gets it in the Neepawa zone. Shot high, rims all the way around the glass, and the dasher and goes up ice. Out to play it, Paniel. Goodbye, draw by Hyatt to knock that clearing attempt out, but he just misses the wide open net. Back out front, shot, scores! Romanek on the turnover. Good setup by Hyatt. Deep into the Neepawa zone, off the stick of Lorenz. Klein back there, Lorenz in on the forecheck. Trying to get it out front, shot, loose puck! They score in the slot as Holland, the recipient of a rebound that goes right to him. Kept in by Gill. He'll play it down low off the end boards. Klein tries again off of Michael Chuck. Bouncer comes right to Ryland Gwinnison. Cross ice to Thompson. Thompson with a nifty move in on net, and he scores! Thompson, I'm not sure if he took a stick high. He's holding his chin, but what a nifty little move through the D-man. Cody Gwinnison, he can't get by Gill. Now Gill plays it up ice. Noonan finds the loose puck, gets it right back to Michael Chuck with Ryland Gwinnison. Gwinnison shot. What a save. Side of the face-off circle, he'll go cross ice. Good job there by Sardelli to keep it in his zone. Sardelli walks up the sideboards, puts on the brakes. He'll just walk along the top of the face-off circle. Shot, loose puck, and they score on the rebound. And it is the hockey game as the Neepawa Titans will skate, I will say, to a fairly convincing 7-4 victory